Well, Bob, it was nicer than I expected it was going to be today.
Yeah, a lot of sunshine and breezy conditions as well. That low kind of feeding all that air into that low. That low is starting to fill up too, so we're not looking for it to develop into anything tropical. You know, just a few days ago it had a 50% chance of developing. Now it's gone, so that's good news. We are looking at the sunset tonight. Tower cam getting a glimpse of that sun setting, and a beautiful shot it was, as it is the case when you get a little cloudiness around. And we did get some clouds. There it is. I stopped it right there before the sun dropped below the horizon. The reason why, because this photo was sent in by Damon Powers. Look at this. This is doing really well on social media right now. This is of Lido as the sun was setting and a lot of clouds around, creating that gorgeous shot. And get a look at this, the reflectivity at Lido too. Dylan John Wade Cox getting a perfect almost as far as the reflectivity goes. Fairly calm there. The winds did let up, and so things were looking much better there. As far as the rain goes, you can see this down here. We'll keep an eye on it. It's moving north basically, so I do expect to see scattered showers and maybe even a few isolated thunderstorms overnight. We're not looking at anything too rough, but not everyone's going to get the rain either. That dry air that had been in place is starting to moisten up a bit, and we're seeing a little bit more action than we saw earlier today, pushing on to the northeast. This is a kind of pattern that does favor inland storms in the afternoon and evening, bigger ones pushing toward the east coast, and then we get overnight showers with a southwest flow. In the summer months, typically it's a little bit more, but since the water temperature is just around 78, 79 degrees, we're not getting as many. A few showers at Lido right now, Siesta Key, a little downpour there briefly has now turned into some light rainfall. Parrish, things are winding down. So right now, not too wet out there, but we are expecting, as I said, maybe after 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, another shot at some showers popping up here. That dry air is now moving off in toward Gainesville and Jacksonville. It had been right around us earlier today. That gave us the sunshine and limited shower activity. Another little piece of energy coming off Louisiana. You see it right there, spreading off to the southeast. That area of low pressure that we were watching to the north. A lot of dry air in the western Gulf of Mexico. Hasn't gotten here yet, but that could become a player down the road. The Futurecast is suggesting that we will see some scattered showers moving through, and then the heaviest activity by far inland, pushing off toward the east coast in the heat of the day tomorrow. So again, expect that to be the case, and then more showers expected during the overnight hours tomorrow night and into Friday morning. Well, this area had been flaring up just about 6 hours ago, and now it's calming down, being sheared apart. Strong winds in the upper levels of the atmosphere, not allowing anything to develop, and that's pretty much what happened to that low. Water temperatures down here are fairly warm. You can see that 84 degrees here. Again, they're a little bit cooler, and in the Pacific, where the hurricane season has started, it's hot, 89 degrees there, and a little bit cooler here in the western Caribbean Sea. The winds will be brisk tomorrow again, 10 to 15 miles an hour, gusts as high as 20 anticipated throughout the afternoon, picking up a little bit more so then. And as far as our current conditions go, we do have a few clouds around 76. It's warm, it's muggy, south winds are at 7. For boaters tomorrow, scattered storms, winds out of the south at 15 knots. Seas will be running 2 to 3 feet, and a moderate chop on the bays and inland waters. The water temperature, as I mentioned, in the upper 70s right now. So a 40% chance for scattered showers and storms. Most of the action in the afternoon inland. 50% chance on Friday. By Saturday and Sunday, it bounces up to 60, and we'll see more showers heading back toward the coast in the afternoon and evening. Temperatures still pretty close to seasonal averages. Jacqueline?
All right, Bob, thanks.